Hey everyone, Connie from The Painted Photographer. Thanks for coming back. This is week 14 of the ATC Full Deck Challenge. And it's been a challenge. It's been a challenge to stay caught up, but right now I'm caught up. It is Saturday, and so it was supposed to be done on Tuesday, but it's still the same week. It's still week 14, so I call that a win. I'll show you what I did. It's still April, so we are doing diamond for April, and we are including one stamp. Follow along, and I'll see you at the end. For week 14, we have the 10 of spades, and then I also have a stamp that was pretty neutral, and then I have a piece of my rice paper that was in Sonnet's Maker's Box. I did paint that rice paper, and I do sell them on my website. And then we have some of this Christmassy snow glitter that I think is going to work. So the first thing that I did is I started out with giving the card a coat of white paint to cover up that 10 of spades. It won't show through too much this time, but I still wanted to cover it up. Next, we're going to go on with the liquid patina and put the rice paper on. You want to make sure when using rice paper that you have a significant amount of liquid patina. Don't be too scarce on that. And then it is a little bit stronger than decoupage paper because I wanted that title to be on the card, so I had to readjust it a couple times. So I did put enough liquid patina on there that I didn't have any issues with it, but you can always go back and put some underneath the edges if you need to. So that card now has some of my rice paper on it, and it actually looks pretty good like this, but we're going to keep adding layers because that's just what we do, right? So just going on with the liquid patina and waiting for it to dry. After it dries, I'm going to cut it out.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. For the month of April, I wanted more of a muted type look. So we're going to scrunch up this vellum paper and give it a bunch of creases and lines, and then we're going to put it right on top of this card that we've created just to mute down some of those colors a little bit. So you're going to see right through it. It's just going to be very, very subtle as soon as we get that patina on it. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes.
After that was dry, I got out a little DIY cake batter, which matches the coloring in that stamp. And I went around the edges and a little bit on the front of the card just to give it some added color to match that stamp.
She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. Guitar. Yeah.
never lie to you. Doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. Ha. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl.
Now for the diamonds in the month of April, we're going to put some liquid patina right on that torn edge right there between the stamp and the rice paper. And then we're going to sprinkle some of that glitter, snow glitter, on top of that and wait for it to dry. I really like the way this turned out, and I think it was a good medium for trying to reflect diamond.
Soul searching, fall apart, tunnel vision, hiding in the dark. Well, I ain't gonna holler before I really bleed. Salvation, a quick fix remedy. You said I never could change. I thought I never could.
Now for my favorite part, I get to show you all the cards that we have so far up until week 14. I am officially caught up. Let's hope this Tuesday I stay caught up.
Leave the light on. Just leave the light on. Yeah, leave the light on. If I'll ever change, dreaming of Nashville, Tennessee, while the cold here in Sweden got the best of me. Well, haven't I got better shit to think about than that shit? Like deadlines, rents due, bills pile up, family day in, day out, the clock's mocking me, getting old, oh God, the kids deserve so much more than this, gotta get rich. You said I never could change.
What'd you think? Week 14 is complete. It's so good. I just am really enjoying these months of ATC cards and using the same theme for the entire month. It just brings so much creativity to my brain, and I hope that you're trying it too. I hope that you've found yourself a deck of cards and you're following along too. If you're not keeping up, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Do them when you can. And I just think they're fun. It's a way for you to do something for yourself. And then you look back after all the weeks, and that's my favorite part. I'm gonna try to continue to show you every single week throughout this entire 52-week challenge. Some of them might get lengthy, but if you're like me, you like to look at them. This week I used one of my rice papers that was in Sonnet's Maker's Box, but I have many more. Did you know? I hand paint paintings and then I turn them into rice paper for you to create with. Check out my website. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can order any of the rice papers or DIY paint and I'll ship them right to your front door. Until next time, happy painting.
Have a good shake.